fuck it, we all rich. I ain't tryna have babies right now, so we fuck with a rubber, but I got a raw bitch. Know this money bring Evie, you probably won't beat me, but bro, we can't be about no small shit. Overseas got the crowd doing my shit. Can't believe that I'm still.
I said, yeah. What it do, YouTube, man? It's your boy Jawan, and I'm back again with another lit video. I don't think y'all ready. But guess what? I'ma tell you anyway, man. So boom, I'ma start doing that with my intro. Jawan, keep doing that. That's fine. If y'all like that intro, comment down below with a W emoji. A W with that, say W intro. And I already know. So boom, today's, man, y'all haven't seen a car meet in a long time. So boom, it's the first car meet of 2022. That's the title of this video, man. Car meet of 2022. So boom, we got the low on the first car meet, man. We're going to head there at 10 o'clock. Y'all don't forget to follow me on all social medias. My Instagram, boom, throw it up on the screen. My Snapchat, boom, throw it up on the screen. And then my TikTok, man, boom, throw it up on the screen. So, y'all don't forget to follow me on all 3 platforms. I might start doing Twitch where I start like live streaming with gameplays and stuff like that, but that's besides the point. That's a whole nother topic for a whole nother day. But yeah, man, that's the first. We gonna go to a car meet for the first time of the new year. I've been to other ones, but y'all haven't seen it. But this is gonna be the first one on camera that I'm catching for the new year. So with that being said, I'ma see y'all when we get to the car meet. Great talk. Aight, y'all. So we made it to the location. It's cool right now. It's calm, it's collected. But my friend, y'all know who LeVar is. LeVar, he told me to swing it, but I know how to swing, but it's not as good. You know, we used to do it in the Genesis, but it's not as good. But if it was good enough to where I could like do it like off real, no questions asked, as soon as I get in here, I be watching people all the time, but me doing it, it's not nerve-wracking, but it's like, if you don't know how to do it, it's kind of embarrassing too. So like, you gonna embarrass yourself, but I got tents, so like, they ain't gonna see like nothing. They ain't gonna see me or nothing unless my windows are down. And then plus I got a messed up wheel alignment, so I gotta go get my wheel realigned. Once I get my wheel realigned, we'll be straight. I'll be practicing. We haven't did a crew practice in like a cool little minute. But once I get my wheel realigned and stuff like that, then we'll be straight. I need to see some cars out here swinging. They got a Chrysler 300. I think that's that Scat, that Chrysler Scat that my friend has shown me, James. Yeah, I know who James is too. That James has shown me, but I don't think it is. But I think it is. But I don't know. Don't quote me. We got a little fin. What else we got out here? Uh-oh, I hear something. We out here sliding. We out here sliding for real. Bro, I got too much stuff in my pockets. Oh, yeah. Bro, he got fireworks under his head. I ain't even go cap to you. That's water down there? Bro, that man got fireworks under the car. I ain't even gonna lie. Oh snap, that's close. Like it's hella close. Yeah, we finna put on the jacket cause I get cold easily. I ain't finna be doing this. No. Oh fuck. I took it in the house. That's some crazy ass shit. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. But you swing it, LeVar. Come on now. You in the G. I let you spin mine. The Blue Demon? Joe on the way? No. Yeah. I don't know, y'all. I don't really know if I really want to swing it for real. I got a messed up, bro. My wheel alignment is messed up.
Gee. Go ahead, knock it out.
Should I really do it with a messed up wheel alignment?
Go ahead. It's up to you. I don't want you to do nothing.
Oh my god. Bro.
Just swing it.
Swing it. I'm gonna get a little practice run. know it's smoke, you did good. What I'm hearing.
Around somebody, you know you did good.
Oh God, like you know you did something if you go around people. And he had the windows down? Yeah, he got it.
Yeah, that G is about to switch. Record that one, bro. He's good, bro. You can't even get in the middle of that one. Get close.
Hey, I don't know about getting in the middle. I heard about that. I heard about that one.
Good work.
They make me look like shit, bro. They make me look like shit, bro.
Go trade it in for a V8, bro.
I'm gonna have to go get me a Hemi, bro.
Yeah, go trade that shit in, bro.
I'm gonna have to become another you out here, bro.
Next vlog, getting a Hemi.
Next vlog, getting a Hemi. Looking at some Hemis.
Damn.
Because if I do get a Hemi, I gotta stack up some more bread. The Chrysler? No. Next time I'm just full throttle that hoe. No cap. Just full throttle that. Don't care. Just
Full throttle.
own it. You got some good tips on there too.
I got you, bro.
Hey, I thought he was finna crack somebody because he sure was hella close to us cars. That boy got that sticky icky blicky on him. He keep it tucked on him. He keep it tucked on him. I don't know, y'all, man. What should I do?
They swing them now. You ain't want to swing it, bro. I can't even swing it, bro.
And don't you got one of these too?
What? Really?
Yeah.
Let me go. It's not a swing. It won't let me go nowhere power.
Did you try to do like the burnout shit before like you do it?
No, my cousin said put it in manual. Try to do it like that.
Yeah, that's what I did, but I ain't doing right. I must have did it wrong. Damn. I let you see that, right? I'm gonna go get mine. I'm gonna go get mine. Ooh, he ain't got no lights on. He brave. He a brave soul. He sliding for us. He sliding. Uh-oh. We hear that dust. Where y'all think the next location gonna be at if this one get?
I think we're good here for a bit. If it was out tonight, they would have came better.
They was at the
Gas station.
yeah.
They was at the gas station.
There was some other people.
Is that truck?
I think.
Hey, boy, ain't no fucking way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
I think so.
Yeah.
What kind of flag is that? I didn't see the flag.
I don't see shit, bro. How you see what kind of flag is it?
That's what I'm saying. What kind of flag is it?
They say Night Rider. Oh, Night Rider.
So I think that's what I gotta do next time. Wait till I can get some. Why not? At a car meet. Yo, he in the truck and he sliding. Hey, we gotta get a flag made, drift hunters.
What's up?
We gotta get a flag made, drift hunters.
Swings, we have some swingers, right?
That's what I'm saying. We gonna have some swingers, but like, gotta have a flag. Gotta get one. Yo. I gotta learn how to swing. I gotta learn how to swing by tomorrow. What's that TikTok? I gotta learn how to swing by tomorrow. Gotta learn how to do something by tomorrow. You know how to swing for real?
Nah, I ain't gonna lie to you.
To be honest, bro.
You ain't gonna get a fade, bro. So you, why? Probably feel good that breeze and shit, bro.
I'm swimming right now.
Just go back to braids.
It's never feel like that. It's way different.
Yeah, I got like a buzz.
Yeah, y'all know how long I've been growing out my hair.
Yeah, bro.
That's besides the point. We ain't gonna talk about that. I need somebody to braid my hair. Huh?
Trying to let it grow?
Bro, it's not even growing. It's growing, but I need somebody to braid my hair for real. I'll pay them, but I just need somebody to braid my hair for real.
That's your sister, right?
Huh? Bro, my sister is childish. She did not do shit for me. I'm so serious. I'm just keeping it a buck. My sister is childish as hell. Like, I'll ask her, she'll ignore me the entire time.
That's the girls who go respond to.
That's what I'm trying to figure out. Where they at? Huh?
You got a girlfriend? Nah, yes.
Well, I didn't hear what you said.
You got a girlfriend?
No.
Oh.
You know, bro. Nobody trying to get with the kid.
You
Nobody.
got female friends?
Bro, I got a lot of them, but they don't know how to do hair.
I feel like every girl knows how to braid hair.
That's what I'm saying. That's just what I thought. They all black.
They ain't
You know?
fucking with you, man.
Oh God, they not fucking with me. For real, they not fucking with me. They be like, oh, y'all know how to do it. And I be seeing them doing other people's hair. Be like, can you do mine? No. Camaro?
John, you should try to go that bitch back out.
Huh?
Try to go that bitch back out. Get out here back out.
Hell no. That shit's not for me, bro. I can't do it.
Oh, that's not a real scat though.
That's a V6.
Oh God, that's a V6.
Ask him.
I got you.
Go ask him. What he doing?
Bro, what? He make it look so easy. No. I'm being so dead
He'll tell you
ass.
right now.
I'm being so dead ass too.
Go ahead. You should ask him what time he gets
Bro, oh God. Oh God.
He's right there. He's right there.
Bro, ain't no fucking way. Yo. Yo.
Did not fucking move. You stuck nice and for rubber.
You got a V6, right? Okay.
You YouTube?
Yeah, I mean,
It's an SRT6, man. Do you hear me?
it's a what?
SRT6.
SRT6? Bro, how you be sliding for him? Because I got a V6 over there.
Give me the keys. I'll show you.
Ho, brother, ho, whoa, 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 now. You got too much dip on your chip.
You better ask. You better ask about me.
Oh no, I got it. You spin it again, I got you. I'll let you see my keys.
Psych a lot.
Oh, you go? Oh, okay. He said let him see my keys, and then he'll show me.
Do it.
I was just like,
Do it.
he said let him see my keys, and then he'll do it.
Yeah, let him show you. He gotta be 6.
That's what I'm saying, but he bald though. Like, I don't know, man.
Huh?
He did that shit so smoothly though. Bro, which way did you turn? Which way did you turn? Left or right?
I go both ways.
You go both ways? Bro.
Give me the key. I'm gonna show you. Give me the key. I'm gonna show you. That's like my homeboy shit.
Slide his. No, know, man. Letting other people see my keys though is risky.
Yeah. Get in the car with him.
Does he mean like, let me drift it and I'll show you?
Yeah, that's what he means.
Oh,
that's what I'm saying. Like that's what he's
like,
saying.
get a ride along. Yeah, well, give me a ride along.
Y'all better move. He coming through.
It ain't them niggas that act hard. It's the It's the ones that put the
And we're gone. You go. Here's the time. Go. Go. Out this hole. I ain't finna lie much to you. We out. We out. Ain't no playing. Everybody go. I knew I should. Some told me I should have stayed by my car. We out that thing, boy. No scratches, no bruises, boy. We out. Hey, I'ma catch y'all when we get somewhere safe. I ain't gonna lie too much to you, bro. Alright, y'all. I know y'all watching the video, man. I know y'all watching the video. But if you got this far into the video, man, I did get the other part on camera. But the other part of the video, which was a couple minutes before the video ended, it had got boring. The car meet got boring. It was just playing around. Nobody was actually doing nothing. I tried to swing a little bit. My friend LeVar, he tried to swing a little bit, but you know, we not as good as everybody else, but we're working on it. But anyway, man, if y'all got this far into the video, y'all comment safely escaped, or comment escaped, cause when y'all watching the video, y'all gonna see me and run into my car. So y'all just say escape. Just comment escape. That's all you gotta do. If you made it into the part of this video, comment escaped. Aight, y'all. I'm gonna set y'all up real quick. Oh no. Aight, y'all. I just made it in, man. Today, you know, today was a pretty cool day, you know what I'm saying? I learned how to slide. I'm getting better at my sliding. It's a lot harder in the Charger. It's like, because the Charger is a lot heavier than any other car. Well, the Semi. But a Charger is like heavier wise than the old car that I used to have. For my OGs, you know, I used to have a Genesis, and that's lighter than the Charger. But now I got a Charger, and the Charger is a lot heavier, and it takes a lot for it to swing. So I'm getting pretty good at it. I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to go too fast, but I think I'm moving at a fast pace because I am a fast learner when I want to learn it, or if I really want to do it. But yeah, man, so I think I'm getting pretty good at it. The last one that I didn't catch on camera, man, I think that was a pretty good spin. That was a pretty good spin. I'm gonna give that a cool, you know, 8.5. I'm gonna give it that 8.5. No, yeah, 8.4. I'm gonna give it an 8.4. It could have been better, but I tried to do the figure 8 and I wasn't ready for the figure 8. I should have just stayed going in one direction. But it's currently 12:40, man. Y'all don't forget to follow me on my social medias, man. Get me to 1,000 on my Instagram. I know I'm at like I'm at 973. I've been having this Instagram since I was like in the 8th grade, and now I'm a freshman in college. Man, get me to a K. Get me to 1,000. Let me hit the 1,000 mark. So that being said, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, follow me on my Snapchat, and follow me on my TikTok, man. My TikTok, man, they be going up. We've been going up the last few days. I've been being more consistent on TikTok and YouTube. So y'all just bear with me. It's a grind thing. So like I said, man, y'all just gotta subscribe to the channel. Y'all gotta stay tuned for the channel. I'm trying to get more videos for y'all. I got some challenges in my head and stuff like that. Also, I'm trying to get some more people to do a blind date because y'all like that blind date video. That blind date video did do pretty good. It got like 134 views. So next time I do a blind date, it should hit 200. It should hit 200 views. So y'all, man, like I said, man, just stay tuned to my channel. Grow with me, get to know me more. I know I got a lot more new subscribers, so I might be doing a Q&A soon. So I'm gonna post a poll on my Instagram. I'm gonna just be like, hey y'all, send me some questions. Send me some questions now, so when I get ready to like do the Q&A, I can have them already listed, screenshotted or whatever. So yeah, man, y'all just stay rocking with me, stay growing with me, all that good stuff. Till next time, man, I am your boy, Jawan, and I'm signing out. Peace, man. Love y'all.